Hello friends, how are you? This is Dr. Shinagi, Ayurveda and Medicine doctor and also Isha Hatha Yoga teacher. So today in this video we are going to talk about liver health. As we all know, these days liver detox is so much in fashion and now people have recognizing the worth of liver in our body, because certain actions of livers are already been discovered by scientists, but they are saying there are much more actions of liver which are still under research going on. Liver, as you know, it produce cardioprotective enzymes. It also produce enzymes to protect your kidney. It also produce things to for your digestion. As we all know, liver is not only producing enzymes and digestive juices, but liver is also playing very important role in the metabolism of carbohydrates, proteins, fats. Everything is connected with liver. That's why it's very important that we pay attention to maintain the health of liver. But these days, the kind of lifestyle we have, the kind of food we are taking, the kind of drinks we are taking, especially these packed in canned food and this soft drinks, hard drinks and these alcohols, everything is going to impact the liver, especially the meat fat diet. That is also going to impact the liver and causing fatty liver disease. And when person get fatty liver disease, its carbohydrate metabolism will be impacted, protein metabolism will be impacted, fat metabolism will be impacted. Actually, every metabolism will be impacted. So it's very, very important that we pay attention to the health of liver. Now comes what are the symptoms of fatty liver. Sometimes also this happen, like we don't know that we have fatty liver. And what causes fatty liver? The first and very important reason is red meat. It's been seen that those people who are eating a lot of meat, in them fatty liver has been found. In addition to that, fatty liver is also found in the people who are taking excess amount of alcohol or these beverages like synthetic drinks which are available in the market, which have very high pH value. So these kind of drinks will also cause fatty liver, because as you know, whatever we put in our mouth, the metabolism of that thing is going to happen in liver. So it's very important that we take special care for the health of liver. That's why these days a lot of talking about liver detox, how to detox liver, because people have started recognizing, like if liver is healthy, the person can feel more healthy and he will not develop the complex situations like this problem in carbohydrate metabolism. When they will not metabolize properly, you will feel gastric issues, you will feel problems, you will feel less energy, fatigue, all these kind of things. Why? Because liver is not working well, and then you start feeling, maybe if I will eat this thing, it will cause fatigue to me, so this thing I should avoid. Though even healthy things, to some people even rice becomes big problem. They can't even eat rice. Why? Because the liver functioning is not proper. If you have proper digestive fire, if you have good digestive fire and you are eating healthy thing, then definitely it will get digested and you will get the boost of energy. But if your digestion is not proper, and after digestion if your intestine is bad and absorption of food is not proper, from where you will get energy? If digestive fire is not enough in your system, no matter how much healthy you are taking, no matter how much your lifestyle is, it will not yield results. Though lifestyle helps, whether you are taking medicine or not taking medicine, because with good lifestyle recovery is quick. But in some cases this also has been seen, the people have very good lifestyle, they are eating very healthy, but still the food is not getting digested, and still the people have symptoms like fatigue, not enough energy, bad mood, bad mental health, bad digestion, constipation, and very difficult passing of stools. These all things are happening because your digestive system is not good, your Jatra Agni is not good, that means your digestive fire is not good, and liver plays a very important role in making your digestive fire into balance along with pancreas. And if digestive fire is good, that means food will get digested properly and get converted into that kind of substances which can be easily absorbed by the body. So, if you want, like whatever you eat healthy, it will get well digested. It's very important that you pay attention to your intestinal health and liver health. That's why these days a lot of talks are there about liver detox. Now let's see what are the Ayurveda herbs that works in support of liver. In for Yakrit, that in Yakrit means liver. In Ayurveda, the word that with which the liver has been mentioned, that is called Yakrit, and there are tremendous herbs which works in favor of liver. Among these herbs, one of the herb that is very widely available, that is Punarnava. So, that means if we take Punarnava, then we don't need to take other herbs. No, you also need to take other herbs, because it depends what problem your liver has. But usually for general health of liver, Punarnava also works very well. The botanical name for Punarnava is Borrelia diffusa. So, this is the written botanical name for Punarnava. Those who are not familiar with this plant, or from whichever country you are listening to me, you can go to the botanist and you can ask for this plant, because these botanical names are universal everywhere. So, in Ayurveda, this Punarnava mool, means root of this plant, is being used as a detox for liver. So, how much it should be taken, what is the your present situation of liver, what is the quantity, what is your lifestyle, accordingly you need to take the dose of this Punarnava, and this can be decided only once you consult some Ayurveda doctor, because this is from Ayurveda field, this herb. So, whether you need decoction of it, whether you need tablet of it, whether you need powder of it, so everything will be decided by Ayurveda doctor. What is another herb that works very well for liver? So, the next herb that works very well for liver is Giloy, that is Tinospora cardifolia. Regarding Tinospora cardifolia, also I have created one more video on the channel link. On my channel, you can search for the various properties of Tinospora cardifolia. Actually, the good thing is this: in Ayurveda, one herb will not work only on liver. Like it is like this, like if Punarnava I am taking, it is not like Punarnava will work only on liver. It will work spleen also, it will work on kidney also, it will work on heart also, it will work on your blood system also. So, Ayurveda is very complex thing, various herbs works on various things, and that's why you need to have proper knowledge of the organs, organ systems, and what properties this herb has, what are the combinations, what are the right combinations, what are the wrong combinations of herbs, because if little bit you do like this way or that way, it can create quite problem in the system. That's why Ayurveda diagnosis and consultation is very important. If you see about what is the traditional treatment in Ayurveda that has been given in books in terms of Panchakarma, that is Virechana. So, because liver is the place of Pitta, Pitta means heat, that means digestion, and for some reasons if liver has really gone bad, then it has been recommended that you should go for Virechana under Panchakarma. And Virechana means they will give you certain medicines which will cause loose motions to you. So, remove the Pitta from your system, and this Virechana should also be done under the guidance of qualified Ayurveda doctor. Or if you want to take mild Virechana, or simple, if you want to take something for the health of liver, then that is Triphala Churna. You can take this Triphala Churna before at night or early in the morning as a rasayan. That will also help to make the liver a very strong organ, so that you don't need in your life unnecessary chemicals, antibiotics and all these things. So, it is very important that the herbs that I am mentioning, you study about it, you know about it, and if you also want to detox liver, you can use these herbs, but under guidance. Another thing is, in these days a lot of other therapies are also been mentioning, like somebody is putting oil, somebody is putting glycerin, somebody is putting this and that. So, in Ayurveda these things have not been mentioned, because as I mentioned, in Ayurveda the treatment for liver is Virechana, not this oil therapy. No such thing is mentioned in Ayurveda. because the concept of oil therapy is this, like you keep drinking oil, so that the fat that has been deposited on the liver, that is called fatty liver, liver will producing more and more fats to like dissolve it. Concept of this metabolization they are using, like if we put more oil then maybe liver will get detox. In Ayurveda such things are nowhere mentioned. So, I am not sure whether these are good to do or not good to do, because many people ask me to make video about these oil taking oil, how to cleanse liver with oil. So, in Ayurveda there is no such concept. In Ayurveda there is a concept of Virechana that I have mentioned here, because many people have asked. So, I thought people are getting confused, I should make video about it. In addition to that, as I mentioned, you should always consult Ayurveda doctor before taking any kind of medicine, because Ayurveda doctor know which combination you need. And it is not like random, if this herb is for liver, okay, we will take for liver, because it is not allopathy. Like one medicine will not work on the liver, maybe it will work on liver, but it will work against your heart or it will work against your kidney. So, it is very, very important that random self medication you try to avoid, especially when it comes to liver. In addition to that, what lifestyle change we can do? We can do the lifestyle change like we can spend some time in yoga, meditation, that is very helpful for liver, breathing practices, that also helps. In addition to that, try to have, don't have very late dinners at 10 or 12 o'clock, that creates pressure on the liver. Also try to start your day with a bowl of fruits and take enough fruits in your diet, like 50% of the diet you can convert into raw diet if you have organic fruits. If you do not have organic fruits, at least some amount of fruits you should use, and then anything cooked diet. And in the evening also some little bit raw, because in the evening too much raw is not advisable according to Ayurveda, because digestive fire is not that enough to digest it. So, because as sun set, digestive fire also goes down. So, it is very important that in the evening, as you know, carbon dioxide will rise in the atmosphere, and body, that means body and nature wants to make you sleep. So, it is very important then that you try to avoid all packed in canned food, or very old food, like which is refrigerator food, or old food that has been kept for refrigerator for 2-3 days. These things, hard drink, alcohols, soft drinks, all these kind of things you need to avoid if you want to make your liver healthy naturally, because these small things plays very important role to avoid this fatty liver or cirrhosis of liver and all these kind of hepatitis of liver and jaundice and all kind of these things. And at the same time, it is very important that you do not drink some dirty water somewhere, because if you take some dirty water, it can lead to jaundice, because as you know, jaundice happens with dirty water and dirty food. So, these things you pay attention, that you do not keep drinking dirty water. All these things if you pay attention, then your liver health will stay good. In addition to that, you can try decoction of giloy, that is Tinospora cordifolia, or decoction of this Punarnava, as I have mentioned. This is also very beneficial. How to make it? In the evening you soak giloy, 1 inch of giloy stem, crush it and soak in 1 big glass of water. In the morning when you get up, you boil it, and once it left 1/4, this time you can drink it empty stomach, and after that do not take anything for 2 hours or 1 hour, minimum 1 hour, so that let the giloy or Tinospora cordifolia work for your immunity, work for your health of liver, kidney and all the viscera. So, Tinospora cordifolia in Ayurveda has been said as Amrita, and same benefits are there for Punarnava, those places where Punarnava root is available, where they grow Punarnava, they can take the root, again same way crush it 1 inch, and same way you can make the decoction of Punarnava also, and same dose you can take, like not more than 40 ml. When 1 glass remains 1/4 after boiling in the morning, this kind of decoction you can take for better liver detox naturally. So, that is all about today's video. Thank you so much for watching, and if you are watching me for the first time, there is a bell icon, there is a subscription button. Please click the bell icon, hit the subscription button so that you stay in tune with our upcoming videos. Also, if you would like to support us, there is a join button near subscription button. You can click this join button and you can support us. Those of you who want Ayurveda consultations, please write to me on this given email ID and I will let you know how we can schedule it. If you have any questions, please write down those questions in the comment section. I will try to answer your questions in the best possible way. So, with this note, I would like to say stay healthy, stay blessed, take care. Bye.